hero, Gama Droiville. And again, we are so excited to have Gama here with us today. And so we are here, our seniors, our 8th graders, we're here to pay tribute to one of our very own, Gama Droiville, Eagle Academy, Class 834. Give it up for them again. Now, seniors, what could have been a tragic event instead turns out to be a narrative of courage and inspiration. And Gama, we are assembled here today to tell you how proud we are of you and how much we love you. So without further ado, I'm sure you're familiar with the Still Pandan, being part of it. And so we have with us Mr. Chapman, and Still Pandan. We want to give you, just do a brief presentation for you. Please receive them.